Hello, fellow dronatics. In this video, I am in Crescent City, California at Crescent Beach, and I'm flying the Atom SE made by Potensic. And you see the big rock out in the distance. It doesn't look that far away, but we're going to find out how far away that is as soon as I screw around on the beach here a little bit. Um, it's kind of a long flight out and back, so I sped up some of the footage. Here in a second, you'll see that. I was hoping to film something swimming around in the ocean, but I never did. So if you can see the telemetry on the lower left bottom of the screen, you can see how far away I went. And it was a maximum distance of, I think, well, we'll see here in a second. I believe it was 2,300 meters, which turns out to be 1.43 miles away. And this is the rock that I wanted to go to. And we're at 2,200 meters, and that's over a mile. But there's absolutely no obstruction between the drone and my controller at this point. And mind you, we're dang near a mile and a half away over the open ocean. And as you can see, it takes wonderful video. And this rock kind of looks like Pac-Man with a mullet. Yeah, we're at 2,304 meters. This is something that most people wouldn't see unless you're on a boat, and they definitely wouldn't see it from the air unless you're flying an actual helicopter. So this is pretty cool. In the distance, there is a marina which with a lot of fishing boats, and that other black speck out there is a smaller rock. I wanted to go to that too, but at this point, I decided I wanted to go to that next little rock formation, not the man-made one there, but instead it lost connection with the controller and initiated a fly back to home. So that's what it's doing. I'm not even controlling the thing right now. It's coming back by itself. I've sped this part up too. It's kind of long, and it was traveling at 10 kilometers per second. And I'm not quite sure how many miles an hour that equates to. I think it's like 15 or 20. Yeah, I was trying to see if there was anything in the water, but again, there was nothing. And here we're coming back up upon the beach, and you can see the waves kind of rolling in. It was low tide. And again, this is Crescent City, California on the Crescent Beach. And we stayed at the Crescent Beach Motel, which is kind of a dump, but here you can see myself, my sister sitting down, and my brother. And there's the motel that we stayed at. The best thing about the motel is it's right on the beach. And again, I'm not controlling the drone. It's doing it by itself. Return to home. And there you have it. The Potensic Atom SE, mile and a half.